You can actually earn $10, $12, $25 or even $50 every 15 minutes just by using Google Translate. Now this method is completely free and it's going to work worldwide. And the best part about it is that the website which we'll be using is going to pay us on a daily basis. So yes, you can literally make money today and withdraw it by tomorrow. And the minimum payment threshold is just $1. So now let's get started. First off, go to Google and search for Google Translate. Now basically this Google Translate will help you earn $10 up to $50 every 15 minutes. So in 1 hour, you can actually get paid up to $200 just by doing what I'm going to show you in the next few minutes for completely free. So let's go to Google Translate and you just need to type something in this box and it will be translated into any language you choose. Here I am, translating the Dutch language. So if I write something in here, like how are you in English, it will be translated into Dutch language as you can see. So now that you know how to use Google Translate, we need to go to another website which is this one right here, cpagrip.com. Now just click on the register button and it will take you to this page where you just have to fill out all the necessary details. But make sure that for the publisher type, you're going to select GPT or website/instant, since that's going to get you approved. And then where did you hear about us? Tell them that you're coming from YouTube. And that is it. Now if you're going to log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, there are people making more than $250,000 on CPA Grip. You can see that this is a legit network, it's going to be paying you a lot of money. Now all you have to do is just go to the payment center right here. And you can see that on this account right here, I was able to make $6,542 all-time earnings, $6,500 total paid balance, and my pending balance is $42 with a minimum payment of $40. By the way, you are going to make extra money using this network, but it's not the main income that we are going to generate. So we just need to get started with CPA Grip. So all we have to do is first select the offer tools. Then select a CPA offer from one of the top countries from Europe that don't really speak English and have a little higher payout on CPA Grip. And then pretty much, you can just select any of these CPA offers. So for an example, I'm going to show you how to do this for the Netherlands. And if I can do it, then you can do it too. So you just need to select any of these CPA offers. Now for example, we can go for this iPhone 14 offer. Now make sure you select mobile offers, since the traffic source we're going to use is for mobile devices. For this one, I know for sure that this is a mobile offer, and for every single completion, I'm going to get paid $1.71. By the way, this is just on top of the $10 or up to $50 for every 15 minutes method. So what you simply need to do is copy your affiliate link right here. This is going to be your unique link. Now for the next step, you need to go to this website, which is actually going to pay you this amount of money, even without generating any sales, any CPA commissions or anything of some sort. Now this website is called Shortyearand.com. So for example, if you're going to get views from Greenland, you are going to get paid $50, from Iceland, you're going to get paid $30, and so on and so forth. The best part is that the traffic source that I'm going to show you works for all the countries out there. So you can easily get paid this amount of money if you're going to do exactly what I'm going to show you right now. Just go to Shortyearand.com and sign up for a brand new account. And then once you log in, this is how the dashboard is going to look like. This is my dashboard. As you can see, my total earnings are $254, referral earnings are $56, and my average CPM is $20. Now for the next step, click on new shortened link right up here and paste your affiliate link from CPA Grip over here. Then for the alias, go with something really simple. Make sure you don't enter any expiration date. After that, just click on shorten. And this is going to be your shortened URL. Now pretty much what we need to do is if we're going to send traffic from Netherlands, you can see right here, we're going to get paid $10 every 15 minutes for this traffic. So I'm going to show you how to do this for Netherlands. But you can do the same for any of these countries as well. Now just copy this URL before heading over to the next website, which is this one right here, Publisherlinkvertise.com. This website is just like a link shortener, but they're also going to promote your link on their search engine at the same time. So essentially, it's like a done-for-you traffic source. So just go to Publisherlinkvertise.com, register and sign up for a free account. Then once you log in, this is what you'll see. As you noticed, I already made $1 on this account just by submitting a link, and it just took like a few seconds. Now for the next step, just click on create a link right up here and simply paste the shortened URL from Shortyearand and then just click on this button over here. Next, you need to copy the headline of the CPA offer and add it right here to make sure it's going to fit the characters and just click on check right here. In the link title, copy and paste the headline of the CPA offer again. But as you can see here, it says your entered text is too short, at least 40 characters are necessary to continue. And this is where Google Translate actually comes in to help. So I just write something clickable here and Google Translate will translate the words for me. Now, I'm going to copy this and put it right here. By doing so, it's going to be approved. Now for the link description, again, we need at least 100 characters in order to proceed. So again, I just write the same exact thing, but make sure it's at least 100 characters. After that, Google Translate will translate the words for me. Now I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. Next, just upload an image of the product, so in this case, it's iPhone 14. And then you can see here, this is how our search result is going to look like. This is our advertisement which is going to be automatically placed on their own search engine. And as you noticed, this is the image we just uploaded, and it's in Dutch. So we're gonna get Dutch traffic. After that, click on next to continue to the next page. And that is it. Now whenever someone clicks on the link, you're going to get paid by Linkvertise, then you're going to get paid right here on Shortyearand as well. And on top of that, you'll earn extra cash from CPA Grip. So you can imagine how much money you can get paid using this method. So that's it for today, but if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $3 every 90 seconds from YouTube by watching videos.